Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Today we are going to talk about financial education for beginners and practice. Even if you are still a layman on the subject, it is possible to have great results by following a few steps. However, it may be that at first there is discomfort because working on financial education for beginners is about a change of mindset. Especially if you have a negative impression when it comes to finances, it can seem like a boring subject. However, don't let these beliefs get in the way of your financial organization. In fact, the idea is that you know your reality and have tools for a much better future. After some time, organizing your budget will become part of your everyday life, and you will only benefit from ensuring a financial balance. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on other amazing tips like this one. Step 1. Diagnose your financial situation. To know how to improve, you need to understand exactly how much money you have, how much you can earn monthly, and what your doubts are. Therefore, the key to successful financial education for beginners is an in-depth analysis of all aspects of your financial life. A good way to start is to create a spreadsheet and do a thorough survey of monthly expenses and profits. From this worksheet you will have a broader view of your money and how you will cut superfluous expenses. At the beginning, every penny must be considered, because in this survey it will be possible to verify whether what is causing the debts are necessary purchases or just superfluous things. In other words, to improve your budget, it is essential to identify where your money is going and whether it is possible to adapt your monthly income to your lifestyle. This first step is considered one of the most important in financial education for beginners, as it is not interesting to start a journey without knowing the starting point. If the health of your finances does not depend on you alone, gather the whole family and ask for help so that the others involved can participate. Step 2. It's time to get organized. After having the entire diagnosis of your financial life, it is time to create a plan to pay off debts and start organizing expenses. Now, it's time to give up some purchases to get rid of what still needs to be paid. Reducing expenses is a great way to work on financial education for beginners. Including, this is a time to negotiate debts. Pay attention to the interest they carry and arrive at the best possible value. When making a purchase, research the best prices, quote the best conditions and options. Therefore, this step is a two-way street. It is necessary to reduce your costs to be able to allocate this saved amount in the payment of debts. Always think of it as a first moment, where you have to make some sacrifices to make your dreams come true and live a more peaceful and healthy life. Step 3. Goals are important for successful financial education for beginners. We all have dreams, and having goals to achieve them is an excellent way to stick to your financial education process. Therefore, set deadlines for achieving these goals. Think of deadlines that are not long, but also take care not to put impossible achievements. A good tip is to start with simpler goals, like saving a small amount each month, and then grow with your goals. Step 4. Always have a spare for emergencies. As tempting as it may be to save a large amount and start making your money grow, it is important in financial education for beginners that an amount is allocated to an emergency reserve. It is important that this amount fits into your budget. So be patient and calculate a value you can sustain. Step 5. It's time to invest. For your financial education project for beginners to be successful, you need to reach this pillar. This is where things really start to happen, that is, your money will be invested to bring more return. This is the time to make your money grow, so you need to choose your best investment among the different options available in the financial market. The fixed income market is highly sought after by people who are starting their financial organization, as it is the safest way. But with study and dedication, you can discover other ways to apply your resources. To summarize, understand that all the other steps are key to bringing you to that last one. After all, to have a peaceful and happy future, you need to have financial tranquility. However, saving doesn't just mean stopping spending or living in a minimalist way. It is possible to make your money grow just by cutting back on excesses and, above all, working on your financial education to make your money work in your favor through good investments. 3. Financial education tips for beginners. In addition to following all the steps mentioned above, we want to give you 3 incredible tips for you to educate yourself financially. 1. Work on your financial intelligence. To be financially successful, you need to change the way you think and understand more about money. Among other things, developing financial intelligence means thinking before buying, having emotional control, learning to save money, and reading what experts or books on financial education talk about the subject. 2. Don't borrow more money. Often, as soon as some value begins to extend in your pocket, the opportunity to lend the resource to someone appears. In addition to preventing other people from also looking for financial education for beginners, you will delay the achievement of your goals. 3. Be careful with credit card usage. It's not because the limit is there that it needs to be spent. Remember that one of the pillars of financial education for beginners is to cut unnecessary expenses and pay off debt. Therefore, to be successful, care must be taken when using credit. Financial education for beginners is essential to improve all aspects of people's lives and ensure stability, ease, and greater understanding of money. In this guide, we tell you everything you need to know to make your future more promising, reduce stress, gain more confidence, and still make your dreams come true. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.